We were doing a little bit of research for our EV charging because we want to step it up and start buying EV cars. We've done a bit of research, reached out to a few other companies, went in with plug-in station due to great reputation and the promptness of them getting out to us and doing the install. Here at Car Planet, we're a car supermarket. We have around 2,500 cars now. Started 4 years ago with only 30 cars, and our goal here is to be the biggest and the best car supermarket in the country. It's very important to us because what we're going to be doing is going to be exploring the EV market now. Where the times go, we go. Having a great EV system and the support from a great EV company, it's just going to make it a lot easier for us to work, prepare these cars to a top standard, and have constant support. The process with us was pretty lucky, really. We actually ended up reaching out to Plug-in Station, and surprise, surprise, we actually went to school with the owner. It was just one of them things that's written, really. It was great having that know of somebody in the business. Other than that, he's been fantastic. His team's been fantastic, and the installers that have come out today been great, worked around us. Not only is this a working business, there's mass going on. So they worked around us really well, no disruption, very clean install. I'm all about cleanliness as well, so they worked very clean, really happy with it. I would recommend Plug-in Station to anyone looking to get an EV unit installed, business-wise or residential-wise. So when I make the jump to EV, I will be getting Plug-in Station at my house to put on my drive.